Hi all, welcome to our 10th standard maths. Let us continue with the arithmetic progressions. In an AP, if an is equal to 2n plus 3, find a3. One mark question here. Given an is equal to 2n plus 3, find a3. Put n is equal to 3. a3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 3, 9. A3 is 9. Next question. If an is equal to 4n cube minus 1, find fourth term. Here given an is equal to 4n cube minus 1, we have to find fourth term. Therefore put n is equal to 4. A4 is equal to 4 into 4 cube minus 1. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 minus 1. 64 into 4. 256. 256 minus 1. 255. Next question. In an AP, if an is equal to 2n minus 1, find a3. Third term a3. Put n is equal to 3. We get a3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1. 6 minus 1. a3 is equal to 5. a3 is equal to 5. Next example. Find the common difference of the AP minus 1, 1, 3. AP minus 1, 1, 3. Difference between any two consecutive terms. Difference between any two consecutive terms. A2 minus A1. A1, A2, A3. A2 minus A1. 1 minus minus plus 1 is 2. A2 minus A1. A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. 3 minus 1, 2. Here difference of any two consecutive terms in each case is 2. Therefore the common difference is D. Common difference D in this case is 2. Therefore D is 2. For example, in an AP, if A is equal to minus 7, first term is minus 7. D is equal to 5. Common difference is 5. Find A12, 12th term. We know nth term of an AP is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore a12, a plus 12 minus 1 into d, a plus 11d. A is minus 7 first term plus 11 into d is 5. Minus 7 plus 55. Minus 7 plus 55 plus 48. Therefore a12 is 48. 11th term of the AP minus 3, half, 2 is. Here given AP is first term minus 3, common difference second term minus first term. Minus minus plus 3, 2 is the LCM. 1 2s are 3 2s are 6, 7 by 2 is the common difference. 11th term A11 is equal to how much? A11 A plus 11 minus 1 into D. A plus 10D. A plus 10D. A minus 3 plus 10 into D. 7 by 2. 2 1s are 5s are minus 3 plus 5 7s are 35 minus 3 plus 35 plus 32. 11th term of the AP is 32. Next question. The common difference in this series minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 is. Here we need to find common difference. Here is the common difference of any two consecutive terms. Minus 33 plus 37 is plus 4 or minus 29 plus 33. 4. Difference of any two consecutive terms in each case is here 4. Therefore, common difference D is 4. Next example, if an is equal to 10 square plus 3, find a2. a2. Put n is equal to 2, we get a2 is equal to 10 into 2 square plus 3. 10 into 4, 3 plus 3. 40 plus 3, 43. a2 is 43. If a is equal to minus 1, d is equal to minus 3, find a50. Here first term minus 1, common difference minus 3, we need to find a50. a50 means a plus 50 minus 1 into d. a plus 49d minus 1 plus 49d is minus 3. Minus 1 minus 147. 148 minus 1 minus 47, 148. Next example, if the first term of an AP is 3, common difference is 2, then its 20th term. Here given A is 3, D is 2. We need to find A20. A20, A plus 20 minus 1 into D, 19D. A first term is 3 plus 19, common difference is 2, 3 plus 19 into D, 38. 38 plus 3, 41. Therefore, 20th term is 41. The nth term of an AP is 4n square minus 1. The second term is, second term, put n is equal to 2. 2, 4 into 2 square minus 1. 2, 4 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7. The second term is 7. Next example, if an is equal to 2n plus 3, then the value of S3 is, here given an is equal to 2n plus 3, we have to find S3, sum of 3 terms. Therefore, put n is equal to 1, we need first 3 terms, a1, 2 plus 3, 5. a2, 2 into 2 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. a3, 2 into 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. First 3 terms, 5, 7, 9. Here S1 means first term, S2 means sum of first and second terms, S3 sum of first, second and third terms. Therefore, S3 is equal to A1 5, A2 7, A3 9. 5 plus 7 plus 9, 21. Next type of example, in an AP, if S1 is equal to 5, S2 is equal to 12, then value of D, common difference is, here given S1 is equal to A1, first term is equal to 5, S2 sum of first and second term is equal to 12. It implies A1 is 5, 5 plus A2 is equal to 12. That is, A2 is equal to 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. A2 is 7. So, common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 7 minus A1 5. 2. Therefore, D is 2. Next example, if the common difference of an AP is 5, then what is A18 minus A13? Here A18 minus A13 only given is common difference of an AP is 5. A18, A plus 18 minus 1 into D, A plus 17D minus A plus 13 minus 1 into D, A plus 12D. A plus 17D minus A minus 12D. 17D minus 12D, 5D. Here D is given 5. 5 5s are 25. One more question. In an AP, if S5 is equal to 35 and S4 is equal to 22, then the fifth term is, here using the relation, using the formula an is equal to Sn minus 1. Here fifth term. Therefore put n is equal to 5. A5 is equal to S5 minus S5 minus 1. S5 minus S4. Given S5 35, S4 22. 35 minus 22, 13. Therefore fifth term is 13. Example, if 2x plus 1, 4x, 13 minus x are in AP, find x. Here 2x plus 1 as a1, 4x, a2, 13 minus x, a3. Here common difference, a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. a2 minus a1, 4x minus 2x plus 1, a3, 13 minus x minus a2, 4x. 4x minus 2x minus 1. 13 minus x minus 4x. It implies 4x minus 2x, 2x minus 1, 13 minus 5x, 2x plus 5x, 13 plus 1. 7x is equal to 14, or the x value is 14 by 7. That is x is equal to 2. Next example, the value of sigma n is equal to 1 to 10 is sigma or summation n is equal to 1 to 10, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10 terms. Here we need to find S10. Sn is equal to, using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. S10 is equal to 10 by 2, 1 plus 10. 5s are 11 into 5, 55. Therefore, value of summation n is equal to 1 to 10 is 55. The 15th term of the AP, x minus 7, x minus 2, x plus 3 is. Here we need to find A15. Let us find first common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A1, A2, A3. A2 minus A1, x minus 2, x minus 7, x minus 2 minus x plus 7 plus 5. Common difference is 5. A15, A plus 15 minus 1 into D, 14D. Here first term is x minus 7 plus 14 into 5. X minus 7 plus 14 into 5 is 70. X minus 70 plus 70 minus 7 plus 63. Therefore, A15, 15th term of the AP is x plus 63.